Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged. Your Sai is with you wherever you go. Sai says, now let me do it for you. Everything is possible for me. Now sit quietly and see. All things will start happening good in your life. In this video, we will be going through the story of Baba Sarkar and the introduction of Udi. Baba Sarkar. Baba gave a story of his boyhood as follows. When I was a youngster, I was in search of bread and went to bed. There I got embroidery work. I worked hard, sparing no pains. The employer was very much pleased with me. 3 other boys worked before me. The first got rupees 50, the second rupees 100 and the third rupees 150, and I was given twice the total of this amount, that is rupees 600. After seeing my cleverness, the employer loved me, praised me and honored me with a full dress, a turban for the head and a sheela for the body. I kept this dress intact without using it. I thought that what a man might give does not last long and it is always imperfect, but what my Sarkar, God gives, lasts to the end of time. No other gift from any man can be compared to his. My Sarkar says, take, but everybody comes to me and say, give. Nobody attends carefully to the meaning of what I say. My Sarkar's treasure, spiritual wealth is full. It is overflowing. I say, dig out and take away this wealth in cartloads. The blessed son of a true mother should fill himself with this wealth. The skill of my fakir, the leela of my lord and the aptitude of my Sarkar is quite unique. What about me? Body will mix with earth, breath with air. This time won't come again, no matter where I go or where I sit. Maya always troubles me much. Still I am always anxious for my men. He who does anything spiritual endeavor will reap its fruit, and he who remembers these words of mine will get invaluable happiness. Introduction of Udi. It is well known that Baba took dakshina from all, and out of the amount thus collected he spent on charity and purchased fuel. This fuel he put in the dhuni, the sacred fire which he kept ever burning. The ash from this fire was called Udi, and it was freely distributed to the devotees at the time of their departure from Shirdi. What did Baba teach by this Udi? Baba taught by this Udi that all the visible phenomena in the universe are as transient as the ash. Our body is composed of matters of 5 elements will fall down after all their enjoyments are over and be reduced to ashes. In order to remind the devotees of the fact that their bodies will be reduced to ashes, Baba distributed Udi to them. He taught non-attachment for the unreal by his Udi and Dakshina. The Udi taught us discrimination and the Dakshina taught us non-attachment. Unless we have these 2 things, it is not possible for us to cross over the sea of this mundane existence. So Baba asked for Dakshina, and while the devotees took leave, he gave Udi as prasad, besmade some of it on their forehead and placed his boon conferring hand on them. Bowed to Sri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, do like and share. Thank you.